Hello everyone, in this video I will try to show nodal shading in Octane throughout the MODO interface. I created this scene with a light set inside a tree-type geometry. Now assign material to whole geometry in this way. Select dodecahedron, hem to material, create a material, blue, select sphere, material, sphere, red, select pyramid, material, green. Okay, now select floor, hem for material, floor, okay, now we have our materials. Go in Octane, render, go this, load the scene, and we have a render preview. This is the light that I use, the main light, top light, and backlight. If you go in the Octane environment, select the RGB color, you can see the light effect, main for the shadow, top, and back. Now what we wanna do is load HDR in the environment in this way. Add a load image, for example. You can find HDR image in internet, free model, free template. Go in Octane, select use RGB image, and now we have our final illumination set without HDR, with HDR. Okay. Now in Octane there are two main materials to use: the diffuse and the glossy material. Select one of these, for example the sphere, you have two sphere, okay. Select the sphere material and press in Octane tab add Octane override. So I create Octane material. Default is a glossy material. The glossy material we can create various types of specularity and reflection. For example, 0, specular, a roughness 100. There are diffuse material. Okay, I show you. Add. For add a new node, press to add. Sorry, the log arrow. Octane, channel modifier Octane and material, and load diffuse material. Okay. Now select this, deselect this, and select okay. As you can see, the diffuse material is the same of the glossy material. When the glossy material we have this value in specular and roughness. So the difference is in diffuse material you can, for example, add emission. Emission is useful for create a bright material. I show you channel, Octane, emission, black body. So if you add to emission channel, we have a light. For color the light, can use the RGB. Okay. Now we have a bright material. Instead, in glossy material, we can use this, for example. Or this, and our color. Show, for example, specularity 0.9, roughness 0.2. Now we have a glossy. If you turn 0 and 1, we have a perfectly mirrored surface. Okay. There are the base of the node function. Okay. Now we can mix this material in this way. For example, create input channel material in Octane mix and go this and go this. For example, delete this, select RGB, node duplicate, select yellow, drag, and select from mount assign a texture of noise. In this way, Octane texture, procedural noise texture. Now go in value 1. We are this Okay. Now I don't want a glossy material, so delete this and add a diffuse. Material diffuse. Go here, and what we would wanna do is create a geometry like a sun. Okay, so create for the fire red and select this node, duplicate all connection node, select add another mixed material, select this node, color yellow, okay, select another mixed material, select this connection, now create this dark gray, connect in diffuse, select this node, duplicate, go down, create another layer for no fire material, and create a brown or black, go to black, okay. Now add the amount value, always in go in Octane, texture, and go to procedural noise, duplicate, okay, select this and select this, okay, try to change the value, 10, okay. Now we can do this, select another mix material, only for no fire part, material, this, connect this, this, connect this, Now create this part and create a diffuse material. Duplicate, go and connect. Now we can try to do this. Hide all, lighten geometry, light the HDR image, go in environment in Octane, use RGB color, and now show sphere. We have a sun with a planet. Okay, this is an example. You can create a more complex nodal shading. Add all this node, duplicate, change value. This is the base. You can do any combination you want. Okay. Now I want to do another material with a pyramid and use dirt material for highlights the edge of material. I show you. Select in shading the pyramid, go in override, and we create material. Now try to delete this. Yes. Add like this. Okay. Add material, obtain material, diffuse, and create a black color. Okay, select this. You have black pyramid. You desaturate a little. Okay, all black, very flat image. Add material, mix material, select this, remember save frequently. Okay. Now create an amount with Octane texture, geometry dirt. Now go invert, create another node, duplicate this, create a green, connect. Okay, now press invert and straight 10 too much, tail 10, straight 0.5. Okay, select this part. Okay, now we have highlight edges. Okay, so you can work on this value for adjust the edges. So radius 2, radius 5, radius 1. Okay, change the fall off on the other face. Tolerance 3, very low, 0. Okay, now selector string is 2, too much, radius 0.1, needle is not 0. Details 5, 7. Okay. Now what we wanna do is create this part light and transparency in this way. Select this for change color to green. Now add emission. Okay. Now create this and go to 10, too much, okay, so we can change the opacity in 0.6, for example, 0.3. Okay, and the change value strength is 3. Now if turn on the sphere, we can see inside the sphere, but we can change this material with a light material in this way. Select contrast to save, select this and create a material planet. Okay. Okay. Go in Octane, return, load the scene. Select planet, override, delete glossy, add a diffuse. Okay. On the emission, Octane emission black body. Select this color. Power 10. Go in emission. Now we have inside a light. Okay. Now we can see how the glossy material works with a light near. In this way, go in sphere, deselect this, add material in Octane, glossy, select this material, select a glossiness, a roughness and 0, and speculative. Okay, now change the color. You can see the light and the geometry. Okay, and reflection. We can change the color in this way. Copy this node. Okay. This is how the dirty and noise works. Okay, and this is the difference between glossy material and diffuse material. This is the base, and only with this material you can do many shading. Now create the last material. Invert all this. So create dodecahedron, show visibility of dodecahedron, Ctrl S to save, go in material, override, select this, remove, add material diffuse, color light gray blue, okay, more dark, okay, a little, yes, too much. Okay, now add mix material, add to mount the dirty texture, geometric dirt, And now copy this, select color like this, double click and open the editor, this type of editor, add a emission, okay, select this color, change the value, load, select invert, and work on dirty. Radius 0.1, detail 20, radius map 0.1. Okay. Now we have this shift effect. Okay. And we can add a noise on the light edges. For example, in this way. Add Octane, texture, procedural, noise. Okay. And add a material mix. Now copy this, delete the emission, set the value to black. Okay, go value, connect this, connect this, and connect this. Now try to connect this. We have LED effect on the edges. Can increase the size of the edges, the light edges. In this way, go in dirt, radius 0.3. Okay, detail 50. We have more random effect on the light of the edges. Okay, now we have 3 types of material. I hope will be useful for you, and see you in the next. Thank you for watching. Bye.